PlayStation 4 Slim. Our job today is just going to be a soldering job. We're going to be removing the encoder from this donor board and putting it on this customer board. All right, while I'm setting up equipment, I will throw this up for you. Probably will not be using the Pico pencil in this particular job. I'm going to pull the donor first. Put the customers to the side. Oh, they gave me a donor without the encoder. All right, I'm going to have to get back in contact with them because they gave me one of the donors that was already pulled the encoder off of. I'll be back. Okay, now I have a donor with an encoder on it. It's not my favorite thing to spend more time in my car than at my bench, but it is what it is. Mistakes happen. Let's get on with it. All right, take a swig of coffee and get going. We need to remove this one. This one will be our donor. All right, we'll be at the 480 and 99. Put a little flux on there. And I will switch you over to microscope momentarily. And then I'm going to end commentary for this part. Okay, here's the customers. I'm going to see if I have some wider tweezers. These kind of screwed me on that pull. Problem with these is one of the tips is sheared off, but I think I'll still be able to pull with it. Maybe. My old dorked up tweezers. See if I can bend them out. Alright, I think that'll work. Bigger chips. Alright, I'm going to come out from this direction because this is the customer's board and I am worried about protecting stuff. You know what? We ought to run a few tests real quick though. Just want to make sure it is an encoder problem before we get ahead of ourselves. It's always a good thing to check. And I'm pretty sure they don't, so. Uh-oh, well, is that normal? Let me go look at the donor real quick and see if that's normal. I don't work on PS4 Slims that often, so I'm not really sure if that's normal behavior from the filters. It could be when they're connected, though. Interesting. I wish I tested that with the encoder on there. Okay. I will test those once we pull the encoder, because I need to know the behavior of those anyway. And see. It could be normal. I just honestly don't know. Okay, there's customers. Let me do a quick test of those and see if they do that with it out. They do not appear to do it without, so that looks like it was probably normal. It's good to know. That would throw me for a loop on a lot of jobs. Alright, let's grab our donor. Well, you know what, I think I want to put some leaded on here, at least mix some in. Okay. grab this in the correct orientation. I believe it's that way. Let me double check. I'll be right back. Okay, I am correct. This is the correct orientation. So let's go ahead and throw it back on here. Alright. Take a look. And that went well as far as placement. Let it cool off for a minute, then we'll clean it off, and that'll be it for this. That was how I solder a PS4 Slim encoder. Okay? If you have any questions about the equipment I used in this video, take a look in the description. If you like the video, please like it. If you like the channel, please subscribe. It really does help the channel. And I'll see you next time.